Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So soon after Google's I.O., brands like Nothing and OnePlus have started releasing Android 14 Developer Preview 1. Today in this video, let's talk about Android 14 Developer Preview 1 for Nothing Phone 1 and we'll discuss bugs and features. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 1 on which I have already installed the latest build of Android 14. If you go to About section, here under Android version you can see it says Upside Down Cake. If you tap on it, it comes with 5th April 2023 security patch. Tapping on Android version will obviously see the Easter egg of Android 13 itself. Talking about the installation process, so installation process is quite easy. You just have to make sure that your Nothing Phone 1 is running Nothing OS 1.5.4. If not, make sure you update to the latest build of Android 13. Then download the Android 14 beta, create a folder called OTA, copy that particular file which you have downloaded, which is Android 14 zip file, in that same folder. Then on the dialer pad you need to dial *#682#*#*. So this will open a Nothing Offline OTA update section. From here, choose the file, tapping on browse, select that particular file and tap on directly apply OTA update. So the installation process will take around 15 to 30 minutes and once done, you can just reboot your device. Also remember one thing, your entire data will be wiped once you install Android 14 Developer Preview. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also press the subscribe button. That will motivate us in making better content with quality. So first of all, basic services like calling works fine, including Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth, etc. And guys, it's a AOSP build, so you won't get any of the Nothing OS feature, including Nothing stock apps. It's a pure AOSP build. You can see here the camera application is also an AOSP camera. So if you are planning to use this build, make sure you use the correct Google camera application for better quality. So talking about the lock screen, here you can see the clock text is too thick and bold if we compare it with the stock Android which is running on my Pixel 6a. And also you can take a look at the quick setting tiles which are exactly similar on both these phones now. We don't have those rounded quick setting tiles which we used to see on Nothing Phone 1, but in future those rounded quick setting tiles for sure will be added. If you long press on the home screen, going to wallpapers and style section, here we do get only limited option. You don't have option of themed icon, but it's not that it is missing on this build, that you can access from settings, display, wallpapers. From here, select wallpaper and style. There you can see these options are present. And now I personally feel the dark mode is more towards the pitch dark theme instead of that grayish background. PIP mode now comes with this curved edges instead of those squarish ones. And by the way guys, if you haven't seen our video of Android 14 for OnePlus 11, then I'll leave that video link in the description below. Make sure to watch it. And unlike OnePlus 11, if we are playing any YouTube video in the background or in PIP mode, there are no lags to be seen on Nothing Phone 1. If you guys have watched a OnePlus 11 video, in that you would have noticed a lot of lag if any YouTube video is being played in the background. We have this music tile which is similar on Pixel smartphones, and this do have these animations whenever you play or pause the song. And all the tiles here adapts to the thumbnail of song. And also we do have this wavy progress bar. And on Android 14, you'll also get to see this new back gesture pill. Previously it was just an arrow, but now it's color filled. Most users don't like it, and even I personally don't like. I was so much used to that only arrow with a transparent background. And the color of this pill will also adapt to the wallpaper color. On Nothing Phone 1 with Android 14 Developer Preview, you'll also get to see this predictive back animation. So by default it is disabled. You need to enable the developer option and then make sure you enable predictive back animation. And here you can see them in the action. This only works for the settings page. Talking about the split screen, so let me open up two applications in the split screen mode. On Android 14, you can just double tap in the center to swap the application. But the animations here are jittery and no proper segregation between the gap. One application overlaps the other all the time. But these minor things will be easily fixed in the upcoming Android 14 builds. Under battery section, they have also done few changes and it's similar to what we get to see on Pixel smartphones. Battery usage had that graph, but I don't know, due to some issue or bug, it is now disappeared. It was kind of similar to which is present on my Pixel 6a, where you can see the battery usage of a particular day. Also, you can break down the battery usage by apps. or by system. So tapping on apps will show you all the apps which have been utilizing the battery more, and breakdown by system, this will give you all other details what exactly is draining battery on your device. And you can also check the screen on time of every 2 hours. So these were some of the changes which we have found. Now let's talk about some of the bugs which are present on Android 14 Developer Preview 1. And one of the major bug is related to vibration, and which I noticed when I tried to check the calling feature whether calling is working or not. And when I called up from my other number, I did record a video. You guys can listen to the vibrator motor, the sound which is being produced by vibration motor. And if you're using Android 14, make sure you turn off vibration, because I'm damn sure such type of sound will obviously affect the vibration motor. Here's the sample, you guys can take a look at. After that, you won't be able to register your fingerprint, which is being mentioned by Nothing on their official website. So let me show you. If I start to register, here you can see the fingerprint animation is completely overlapping, and I'll try to register. Let's see if we are able to register the fingerprint or not. And here you can see the error. It says fingerprint enrollment did not work. Face unlock feature is not available. After that, we also don't get to see the wireless charging support or battery sharing feature. As I told you guys earlier that there are no Nothing stock applications available on this particular build, and also you won't find Nothing stock wallpaper. You can see only one wallpaper is available. If you guys remember on previous build, which was 1.5.4, or I think 1.5.3, they had added few more wallpapers, and the total number of wallpapers from Nothing was I think 8. So guys, this was a quick look on Android 14 first developer preview for Nothing Phone 1. I won't recommend you guys to try it out until unless you have a secondary phone. If this is your primary phone, avoid flashing Android 14 developer preview. And if you still have any kind of questions, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.